Hi, welcome to part 4. Here we're going to look at the C shape of the major scale fingering on the 5th string. So if we look at our C chord, that's the shape we're going to be using. And if we move it around, so let's move it here to E. So we're playing E major using the C major scale shape. We'll play an E major scale using quarter notes that revolves around this C shape. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So nothing really fancy about this fingering. You don't have to move your hand at all. All the notes just flow right in line with these 4 frets here. So let's do 8 notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Now triplets, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now 16th notes, 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and So this one's pretty simple. In the next video, part 5, we'll look at the A shape using E major as well.